Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean and restore a pair of Retro 12 taxis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get started. Before getting started, always make sure to remove the shoelaces. The product we're going to be using today to clean up these shoes is a product by Sneaker Bar. If you don't have anything like this at home, you could always use dish soap and water. Always make sure to rinse and dry your shoe properly before moving on to the next step. If you ever get a crease on any type of foam material, you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer to get it out. Just make sure not to leave it on one spot for too long, as you can burn the material. The next step is to clean our shoe properly with acetone. For this shoe, I'm using a matte top coat by Liquid Kicks so that my paint doesn't come out so glossy. Make sure to always do thin coats so that your paint lays better and lasts longer. That's it for these shoes. I hope you guys learned something and are encouraged to try it on your own pair. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.